Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I'm going to show you why your iPhone 17 is not working with Apple CarPlay. So you're probably just like me, where you realize that the new 17 comes with the USB-C on both ends. And you say, well, I don't have a cable for that, that's going to charge for the car now because it's USB in the car. So you go around the house and you find one. You go, oh great, I don't have to buy a cord now because it has USB-C on one end and then the USB on the other. And you can plug it in. Now the problem is a lot of these are for power charging only. They don't data transfer. So what I did to verify this is I found this adapter that I had at home, which is for the computer, to give you the adapter. It goes the USB here, and then it had the USB-C on this end that plugged in as an adapter. So this is how to test it. And so where it was not working before, which it still will connect over Bluetooth. And if it's working on Bluetooth, it's probably not a compatibility problem. So now that we turn this on, there's that message. So here it comes up, allow CarPlay. And you're gonna say allow. And now you have your CarPlay button back, which was awesome because I was getting a little worried that it didn't have it anymore. So anyway, you're going to want to get a cable that actually does data transfer. So I'll put some links to that in the description. And that's probably why your Apple CarPlay isn't working. Now, if that's not the case, there are other things on here. So you'll want to click on settings, and then you're actually going to go down until you see screen time. So click on screen time. And then you're going to scroll down until you see content and privacy restrictions. Make sure that that is green. And then also scroll down from there. You're going to go to allowed apps and features and make sure that the CarPlay one is turned on and not a problem. Some other things people mentioned, turning the VPN off and also voice commands to be on. Okay, one tip is to try plugging your USB into something that you know does work that doesn't have CarPlay. And as you can see, it doesn't automatically connect. So it's looking to pair through Bluetooth where it would normally be looking to, play music. So this is another indicator this cable may only be for charging and not data transfer. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please check the video description. I have more videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.